morning everyone. So for today's video, let's take a walk at the beach of Es Cana. So today is April 4th, 2025. So let's take a walk here at Es Canar Beach. Early this morning, the weather is not so good. It's cloudy, but now Mr. Sun is coming out, so it's a good time to take for a walk. Alright, so for those of you who are always watching and waiting my video, hello, how are you guys? Hope everything is fine, everything is good. Alright, so let's keep moving. So I am passing here at the many forest here in Es Cana, so I'll take a shortcut. Alright, so let's keep moving. So I would like to say that today is my birthday. So for those of you who can watch this video and want to greet me, I want to say thank you so much in advance. It's my birthday today, so thank you so much, Lord, for another year of life. So let's keep moving. That big building over there where the red logo is Leonardo Royal Hotel. Let's take a zoom. Alright, that is Leonardo Royal Hotel. Alright, so let's go back and let's go to the beach. Wow, until now the wave is rough, but it's all right because it's not just like yesterday that it's very dark, but now the color is turquoise. So here, look at that, there is a who is cleaning the beach already. Look at that. He's cleaning the beach because there's so many wash up seaweeds in the beach. So we are now cleaning it, but it's very windy today. So look at that. Look at the beautiful beach of Es Cana. So look at that. That's a who is cleaning the beach. So this is the beach tower with a camera in there. Wow, look at that. So this is the beach of Es Cana, guys. For those of you who are watching my videos, in summertime the beach is full of tourists who are enjoying the beautiful hot sunny day in summer. But now look at that, it's full of seaweeds, but there's a baku who is, look at that, who is cleaning the beach. Let's take a walk in here. Oh, look at that, there's some couples who are sunbathing here. Wow. The Baku is leaving already. Maybe he has done his work and then he will come back some other time. So let's go up to here. So let's keep moving, guys. The new restaurant over there called Es Cana. I think they are open every weekend. Look at that over there. And also this one. It's the part of the restaurant. So let's keep moving in here. They're open. So I saw people. Alright. So from here we can see the beautiful view of the promenade. Look at that. That's the promenade over there. Wow, this part is a sandy beach of Es Cana. So look at this, guys. There's a mountain of sewage here that is washed up from the ocean. Look at that. Because these past few days we have a very torrential waves, and then this is the result. Look at that. But the ayuntamiento is started cleaning up already. On that area, the Baku is cleaning up. So look at that. But sooner, before summer, here is everything is cleaned. So don't be worried, guys. Wow, my favorite mini bridge is broken. Maybe because of the strong current of the waves. Look at that. It was broken. So it's so difficult now to walk in here. Look at that. And still the waves is very rough. until we have a big waves. Wow, look at this. It's washed up. Just like dried seashells. Wow, there are so many.